How's it going, guys? This is Robert with Carr. I'm here with a JL Wrangler behind me. We have the new JL 180 light mounts on there. Want to shout out to Thomas Dane for letting us film his sweet ride over here. So we'll go ahead and take a look. So we got the JL light mount right here. And as you notice, it's going to be on the 2 factory holes on the side of the A-pillar. Very simple installation. Basically, you take out the factory bolts, you put on these 2 black spacers that come with the product, you put upright, 2 bolts in, you're good to go. It's going to hold a 3-inch or 4-inch cube light on there, and as you notice, it has a hole on the passenger side that's made to allow your antenna to go through, and it's also protected by a rubber grommet, so there's going to be no scratching involved there. And right here, there's a few things to mention about this. One is the position on the Jeep. So typically, most lights on the A-pillar are going to be on the upper section of the Jeep right here on the top 2 holes. You also may have it on the top of the windshield area. Now, what's unique about this is with its placement on the Jeep, there's a few things that you avoid with a typical light mount. One, you avoid glare on the windshield when you're out at night. With the light positioned right in front of the rearview mirror on the side, you don't have that glare on the windshield. And also, we have the ability to have the whole windshield come all the way down and all the way up without interfering with the light mount at all. So you don't have to move it, you don't have to adjust it, you can just leave it on the way it is and it'll work out great. Another thing to mention is that some people were worrying about door clearance, saying, well, with the 2 factory holes right here, is this gonna let me take my door off the Jeep with the mount on? And the answer is yes. If you'll notice right here, you do have the clearance available to take your door and move it all the way off and put it back on, so that shouldn't be an issue at all. You can tell the light is centered on this area that has 7 holes around it, and it has a pull pin design which allows you to turn the light 180 degrees around the vehicle, no issue. So you can effectively light around the whole vehicle with just the left and right side lights. No tools involved. Once it's mounted on, you can just use your hand, pull the pin, and rotate it all the way around, no issues. So if you have any questions, please feel free to look us up on carr.com. You can also Google JL 180 light mount. I know a lot of guys will have some questions about, how does it work, what fits with this. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Look out for us on your local dealer. We're going to be in a lot of different areas for you to purchase this product. You can look online as well. So yeah, this is Robert with Carr, and thanks so much, appreciate it, and we'll see you out there.